Welcome to our tutorial about the Join tool. It's located on the Home tab, Modify panel. This tool joins similar objects to form a single, unbroken object. Let's start by creating a couple of lines. Right-click and enter to close the tool. Now let's activate the Join command. Select the first and second lines and right-click to finish the selection. With my entities selected, if I expand the Properties palette, we can see that our two lines are now a single polyline. Let's activate the Arc command. We'll practice applying the Join command to arcs. And my second arc. Activate the Join command. Select our first arc and the second arc. Right-click to finish the selection and execute the join. I've just selected our new entity, and we can see when we expand the property palette that it is now a polyline. Okay, let's create a couple more lines. Right-click and enter to close the tool. And let me just move this line so there's a gap between these two lines. If the lines aren't connected and I try to join them together, I won't be able to when I make my selections. When I right-click to execute the command, as you see, nothing happens. However, if we make our lines collinear, we'll be able to join them even if there's a gap. Let's apply the collinear relation to these two lines. Now let's activate the Join command again. Make our selection the first and second lines. Right-click to execute. And as you can see, we were able to join these two lines into a single continuous line. This concludes our tutorial about the Join command.